Today I have a Chrysler, and I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Chrysler key fob. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I have this Chrysler key fob, and what I'm going to do in order to change the battery, I'm going to have to take the key fob and I'm going to find this button right here. Now, once I find this button, I'm going to go ahead and press this button. And what this does is it releases the physical key out of the key fob. Now that I have the physical key out of it, I'm going to take this key and I'm going to wedge it on the edge of the opening right here and just pry it open by wiggling it a little bit. See how it's pried open a little bit? I'm going to take this and then it opens up and it's just like this. And now I can take the key. And I can go ahead and, you see there's a button in here, or not a button, a slot in here where the battery is. I'm going to go ahead and take this key, wedge it in there on the slot, pick it up. I'm going to take this battery, discard of it, get a new battery, make sure it says CR32, it should show it on the top of the battery, and there's a plus right there, and take this, and I'm going to slide it in here into the slot right here, and then I'm going to press it down, and it's into place right here. And once it's into place, I'm going to take the cover, line it back up like the puzzle, and I'm going to put it together, press it together like that, and then take this part and slide it back into place just like this, the physical key back into place. Now this works for many Chrysler key fobs. Some key fobs are slightly different, but that's a general way of how to change the battery inside of a Chrysler key fob. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.